Hello, my name's Carmen. I'm one of the kidney doctors here at Morrison Hospital in Swansea. Planning to have a baby while you have chronic kidney disease is a very serious matter, but it is possible to have a family with a diagnosis of chronic kidney disease. Pregnancy and chronic kidney disease is more common than you think. For every 100 women who are pregnant, 3 will have chronic kidney disease, but the overwhelming majority of these will have healthy, normal births. Chronic kidney disease, however, can affect fertility, choice of contraception, best timing for a family, and carry certain pregnancy risks. It really depends on your individual circumstances, so the best thing to do before considering a family is to have a conversation with the doctor providing your care. If you are pregnant, it is your responsibility to tell your kidney team immediately for your safety. Do not stop any of your medication without discussing with your doctor first. You are not alone. Help and support is available for you.
Hi, I'm Emma and I'm one of the renal pharmacists who are based here in Morrison Hospital. And we, the renal pharmacy team, would highly encourage you to come and have a chat with us if you have any questions at all about the safety of your medicines during pregnancy. So many women with kidney disease are on medications which can cause birth defects should they become pregnant. For example, blood pressure lowering tablets such as Ramipril, or medicines which can suppress your immune system like mycophenolate. So if you're planning to start a family, please let us know and we can arrange to have a chat and start changing your medications to ones which are safer for the baby. So never stop any of your medications without discussing with the team first, as this can be harmful to your kidneys. Please ensure that you're using effective contraception if there's any risk of unplanned pregnancy. And for certain drugs, condoms are recommended in addition to other methods of contraception.
So kidney disease has a significant impact on many aspects of people's lives. And for women in particular, it comes with additional considerations around fertility, family planning and pregnancy. This can be a tricky issue to raise, as talking about sexual health, difficulties and pregnancy might feel intrusive and at times embarrassing. Special consideration is needed when thinking about the potential risks associated with pregnancy, given that difficulties with conceiving and pregnancy loss are more common in women with kidney disease. It's important that women are supported to access specialist psychological support, which can provide a safe space to talk through often difficult and emotive issues for women who are considering starting a family. We have experience of working with women to support them to consider their options and weigh up decisions in light of the psychological impact that they might have on them.
We spoke to multiple women who shared with us their life stories about family planning and chronic kidney disease.
My name's Michaela Nicklin. I'm 30 years old and I'm a foster carer. I'm type 1 diabetic since the age of 9. I've got kidney disease related to diabetes, and this has been pushed on further because of my pregnancies. So the impact that kidney disease had on my second pregnancy was I needed a lot of hospital appointments. I was kept under very close supervision, blood tests fortnightly, making sure that all my health professionals were all on the same page. So the obstetrician was talking to the diabetes, who was talking to the nephrologist, and you were sort of cocooned in the middle of it all. So it was a very stressful pregnancy. It was, you were quite worried to enjoy it too much. You were quite worried to get your hopes up. Like, I didn't buy clothes and things until Ira was born. Luckily, I was so well looked after that it went quite smoothly, but she was delivered 2 months earlier than a normal pregnancy. But other than that, it went pretty well, really.
My name is Tracy Baker Griffiths. I am 45 years old and my occupation is I'm a civil servant. My children are the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life. Do you know what I mean? I've won numerous medals, I've won numerous trophies, but by far they put a smile on my face. Family planning was quite difficult because at an early age of having kidney disease, the tablets that I was on would have affected a child. Obviously I changed my tablets to be able to obviously conceive my own child, but unfortunately I didn't conceive my own child, but also my kidney weren't working properly, so I had to revert back to the tablets that would have deformed a child. So hence why I had to look into adoption.
The things I wish I'd known before falling pregnant is definitely the risks. Going into pregnancy, my function was around 60%, and coming out of the pregnancy, it's down to 28%. Being a mum is just the best thing ever. So yeah, you just get on with it, and I think that's probably most mums. You just learn to get on with it, and sort of it just becomes part of your daily routine.
It is hard, I'm not saying, because there's only 18 months between my two children, and I have got other health issues now, but you just adapt. People don't realise with kidney disease that there's other things that come with it, like high blood pressure, cholesterol, arthritis and everything, but you just got to keep going.
You just really had to be careful of everything and watch your blood pressure. I have a blood pressure monitoring machine at home as well, so I could check that. So it wasn't just you go to hospital then switch off, you were checking things at home as well. So it was full time. Before falling pregnant, just do the research and also try and be as healthy as you can be before falling pregnant, because you're going to be fighting an uphill battle when you fall pregnant. There is some good information available online, but a lot of it is quite scary. And just make sure you listen to your healthcare professionals and just be open and honest with them about your difficulties and worries, and no question is a silly question, basically.
I've got two beautiful children. They, to be honest, completed me. I feel quite upset actually, because I think every woman wants a child. If you can't go through it the right way, you could do it this way. These children are my children.
Hello, my name's Deborah Duval. I've been a kidney patient for 35 years, so I'm 65 years old now, and I'm managing editor at Kidney Care UK. So what I want for women now with kidney disease is that I want them to have the full breadth of possibilities. I want for them to be told about the potential surrogacy arrangement possibly, or adoption, or just put pregnancy on hold for a while. Don't think about it for a couple of years. Let's get you fit and well. Let's get you through your transplant. Let's reassess your medical condition at that stage. And possibly let's look at pregnancy then.
There are many options for support to help you in this time, such as the Kidney Disease Peer Mentor Support from Popham Kidney Support, professional counselling from Kidney Care UK or your local psychological services. There are also online support forums including Kidney Care UK Facebook group and the National Kidney Foundation. If you're going through or have experienced a traumatic event, there are organisations and charities available to help support you, such as the Miscarriage Association, Bliss, a charity offering support for premature and sick babies, SANS, a stillbirth and neonatal death charity, Fertility Network UK, for those with fertility challenges or living without children. We hope that the information provided has helped bring a better understanding of the options available to you if you're planning to start a family with chronic kidney disease. Remember, you can have a successful pregnancy and have chronic kidney disease. Please come and talk to your doctor or your kidney team about your plans for a family. Let us know as soon as your situation changes or if you're pregnant. Planned pregnancies are safer for the baby and the mum. You are not alone, and support is there if you need it. Thank you.